but act like she loyal, I don't feel the love. I'm so rich, get.
All right, guys, and we are back. Scoofy here, and it's been a long time, but we have another dope ass video for you guys. And before we get on into it, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and invite your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell as well. All right, so without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right.
Smoking on Zaza, this shit came out the garden with Adam and Eve.
Okay, so here it is, guys. We're gonna get this thing open. So it didn't take too long to get to me. I thought I was gonna get it late because it did originally say I would receive about the 28th or something like that, but I did end up getting this on release day. This is just a pretty late upload, but didn't take too long to get to me. Like I said, I did get this through AT&T, and here it is, guys. So we have the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is the blue. The box is smaller, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it inside. Now, you don't get the charger, you don't get headphones, and you do get the cord. And this is the 128 gigabyte one here. I'm also glad I got the iPhone 11 Pro last year, because otherwise I wouldn't already have the charger, the fast charger. However, your old iPhone chargers will work. Look at that beautiful blue. This is the blue one. I do like that a lot. Now, the back is supposed to be a lot more resistant. Not sure how much more, but there's plenty of videos out already that you can see. But you get your stickers in there. You don't get no headphones, like I said, and you just get your cord there. But if you don't have the power adapter, you will not be able to use that cord. So that power adapter is 30 bucks if you want to get one. So this is it. Pretty nice. It is bigger than last year's model, which was the 11 Pro. And it is 6.1 this year, so it's the same exact size as the iPhone 12. But really, really nice. I do like the sides. They're like square now. They went back to kind of like the iPhone 5 and 4. So I do like that. It just kind of brings back that vintage feel, and it does feel a lot better and lighter in your hand. Now, I do wish they would have included the brick in the box. I get trying to make some eco-friendly thing happen or whatever, but like realistically, people need that. They pay all this money for the phones, they should at least get that. Other than that, the phone is really nice. I do like the size. I thought it was going to be too big, but it's not too bad. My finger can reach across the entire screen, and with the case, it's not too bad. Now, one thing I will say is I like how you can see the blue on there. It looks really good on camera, and pretty much on camera is how it looks in person. Now, do I wish they would have made it more blue like the 12? Because the 12 is like really blue. I wish it would looked a little bit like that, but it's fine. This one will do. I do like the sides, the blue chrome. Like that's what it looks like, a blue chrome. But it's really, really nice. This is a pretty premium feeling phone right here. I would honestly just settle for the 12 because it will get the job done. Unless you're going to use that third camera, which I highly doubt, you might as well just get the 12 and save the money. But that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Scoofy here, and I'm out.
Running, running, running.